Hey, what's up guys, it's Alex and today we're going to be installing spacers on the Civic. We're going to be installing these spacers. They're 1-inch spacers. I got these off some guy on Facebook, on Facebook Marketplace. He sold them to me for like 20 bucks. Just a pair though, it's not all four. I'm gonna see how the 1-inch fits. If I like it, I'll order the ones for the back. But today we're gonna be installing them in the front wheels. Just because I feel like the wheels are too in, and I think this would make the car look so much better. So let's get to it. We have to take off the lug nuts right here. And this is a 19mm socket. This is what most lug nuts are, so let's take it off. It's off. Alright. Now we're gonna get this and we're gonna insert these into the empty holes right here. Like that. Now that it's on, you're gonna get these. These are what come with the spacers, and you're just gonna insert them. Make sure to insert them with this way on it. Okay, you want this round side to be inside it. Do not install it the other way around, or else you're gonna have a hard time taking it off. So for this, to tighten it, you could do it with a wrench. I can't do it with this because this is not thick. It's too thick and it won't go inside the empty space. But what you could do is attach one of these. You could attach one of these. I have this impact gun. This is my dad's. You could attach one of those. Just put a 19mm socket. 19mm socket, just like that. Just insert it. Okay, you want to make sure that when you're doing it with this, you want to go nice and slow, because if you do it all one, it's not gonna be equal. It's not gonna be equally leveled. So you want it to be, flat. You don't want it to be more, sunken on this side and then. Alright. Now we have to torque them. I don't have a torque wrench, so this usually goes in here. This is the leverage for this. I took it off. Alright. You're gonna get your wrench. You slap that 19 on. And bop. Now you got a torque wrench. Look at that. Whole lot of leverage. you want to make sure those are tight, because that's what's going to be holding your wheel. If the spacer comes off, so does your wheel. So make sure it's tight, because you do not want to lose a wheel on the highway or on the road because your spacer was, you know, too loose. You know, tighten it as much as you can with this, or a torque wrench. A torque wrench, if you could get a torque wrench, would be more suitable. Get a torque wrench. I need to get a torque wrench. Alright. Next, all you have to do is put the wheel on here, like how you would normally. I'm gonna give it one more just because I want to be safe. The spacer is on. Look at that. That looks amazing. That looks amazing, and it's not even on the ground yet. All right, we're gonna get it on the ground. I'm gonna put up a second camera so you guys could see the beauty of this. Look at this fitment. We barely have any space here to, like, it barely fits our fingers. You know, if I go any lower, that thing scratches. I really hope it doesn't rub. I'll keep you guys updated. But that looks amazing compared to how it was before. Here's the same angles. Look at that. Woo. Here's this one. And just like that, the car looks so much better. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. Look at that. Now, the front looks good. All I have to do now is get some for the rear. Look how tucked in. Look how tucked in this wheel is. Don't mind the rust, I know. But this wheel is so in. this needs to come out a bit. That's probably what's gonna go next. I'm gonna get 1-inch spacers for the back. So stay tuned. That's how you put on spacers, guys. The car looks so good. It looks amazing. I love the result. I'm gonna get this jack out of the way. That looks amazing. I want to get some for the back. I didn't think the 1-inch was gonna fit. I thought it was gonna rub. But it looks great. If you have a Civic and you want to do it, make sure you go, you know, if you're deciding on a 1-inch spacers fit perfectly fine. And make sure you get a 4x100. In case you didn't know what the size was, it's a 4x100. You can find them on Amazon, on eBay, there's a bunch of people selling them on OfferUp, on Marketplace. But yeah, it's been Alex here, and see you guys in the next one. Whew. Damn, I'm tired.